So there are like many stores like Tesco, Sainsbury, Co-op, Morrison's. It depends where are you living. So I would suggest you to know the place that before landing, that you can just go and get your initial groceries. It's just very easy. You can just go and tap your Neo Global card, or if you have any. I would suggest if you don't have any card, carry some cash with you and do the cash thing not on the airport and instead of that in your city, because on the airports rates are really high. And after that मैंने क्या बोला था मैं खुद भूल चुका हूँ मैं किस बारे में बताने वाला था. So buses in Exeter, so there is this only one bus that goes to the university, which is Stagecoach. So if you download the Stagecoach app, you can find the bus routes where do you want to go, and it's quite easy. Then they are mostly on time. So मैं तो कहूँगा भाई चलने की आदत डाल लो, क्योंकि द प्राइस ऑफ अ बस लाइक फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर लाइक it's like £3, and if you take a bus pass it's gonna be like £6.5. And that's like 900 रुपए Indian currency. So I would a habit of walking, because you have to walk a lot, hilly area है and you have to walk a lot. So be ready walk करने के लिए. And groceries, we have very Indian stores है Exeter में. So if you don't buy anything from like, don't get anything from India कि भाई दाल चावल, just don't get uh, yourself in that position कि भाई कुछ लेके आ जाऊँ. ठीक है कुछ चीज़ें लेके आ जाना, but you will get some things here, and हाँ थोड़ी costly होगा, but you have to adjust, because आज नहीं तो कल you have to adjust. You can't just uh, always, yeah, you know what I mean. So there are many Indian stores here and you can buy Indian groceries from there. मेरे को अब आलू टमाटर सबके भाव पता चल गए हैं, और अब मेरी मम्मी को चोरियों की वीडियो देख के, क्योंकि उनको इंडिया में कुछ नहीं पता था कि भाई चल क्या रहा है इस दुनिया में. लेकिन अब मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ लो मैं सब बता दूंगा. The next thing was the cost of living in Exeter. So I have friends from Leicester, I have friends from other places. Instead of London, मैं टॉप सिटी की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but Exeter is costly. So monthly groceries, if we talk about, it's like nearly £300 for a vegetarian guy. Non-veg locally it's slightly high. So yeah, 200 से लेकर 400 बात, so it's gonna spend you minimum. And cost of living, if we talk about accommodations, so weekly rent usually lies between £175 to £250. And उसी बीच में if you get a on-suite or a studio, it depends on that. So housing mein, if you go for a house, that's gonna be in between £450 per month to like £700, £800 in a decent house, yeah, decent places. But still ये बाकी cities से ज़्यादा है. So I would suggest you to just go to some websites. I have talked in another video उसमें जाके ढूंढो आप कहाँ पे, and just get sorted out. And other than that, I was saying about, so uni हो गई walking. If you have any questions, just DM me on my Instagram, क्योंकि YouTube में देखने वाला हूँ नहीं. And just follow me, क्योंकि follow कर भाई मेरे को follow नहीं करते लोग और मैसेज कर देते हैं ना, तो मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि तुम ना अपने काम से काम रखो. मैं मेरे घर वाले वीडियो देखेंगे. सो दैट्स सी यू गाइस इन अनदर ब्लॉग, जो कि मैं 5 मिनट में शूट करने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि आज मैं सब शूट कर लूंगा, क्योंकि मैंने जो पिछले 7 महीने से 4 महीने से कुछ नहीं किया है. सो आई एम गोना शूट एवरीथिंग नाउ. सो सी यू, बाय.